What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove door trim so we could install our floors, cut the bottom, get a nice clean finish, and then reinstall it. So pretty simple. All you need is a knife and a pry bar, hook knife, flat bar, something to just slowly pry it off. The trick is this was freshly painted too, so you need your knife, and we're going to score the drywall right on the edge of the trim, all the way down. I'm bringing in for, I guess you can see it from there. You know what I'm doing. You know what I'm doing. And the reason we're scoring this is when you pry it off, you don't want the caulked edge of the trim to grab the drywall paper and pull it off and create a big mess and have a bunch of pissed off painters back charging you for the work you just did. So you score a line all the way down to help prevent that. Next, we are going to grab, I'm going to use a hook knife. But like I said, you can use a flat bar, pry bar, anything. See how that's super thin there? We're going to use that to get in on the back side of the trim here and just slowly pry it away from the wall. And you do not want to rush this, because if you do and the paper rips, like I said, you're going to have some angry individual hollering at you. So if you go slow, you can not only see but hear if and where it's tearing, and you can take the time to cut that with your blade before it runs across the finished wall. So just pry it off nice and slow here. All right, so it's off and out of the way. And then what we're gonna do, after we install our floors, we're just gonna trim like a 1/4 inch off of this roughly. And that way it'll flow right back into place, but give a nice finish up to the flooring. I'll show you the trim here. So here's where we removed it from. That way we can notch our flooring right along all that, give it a nice clean cut, and then when we put the trim board back up, it'll be a beautiful finish. Hide any jagged cuts you might have. It's just an easy way to finish the flooring. So take the time to go ahead and take the trim off instead of trying to cut around it, because it always ends bad that way. Be sure to subscribe. Comment below any questions about the flooring industry. I'll be happy to create a video for you, and I'll catch you on the next one.